Okay, on this worksheet, we are still only doing a reflection, a translation, or a rotation, but this one is a little different. With the composite transformations, we're going to be doing more than one transformation on a graph. For problems 1, 2, and 3, you're going to use this as your original point. So go to 1, -3, and this will be point A. Take this point, and we need to translate. So this is going to say go right 2, don't go up or down any. So I'll go right 2, and that is A prime. And now I need to take my A prime to perform the second transformation. So I need to take A prime to reflect over the x-axis. So reflecting over the x-axis, if this went down 3, then I will go up 3, and that will be A prime prime, and that is the answer. So you'll do 2 and 3 the same way. Number 4 is the same idea. We just have a line segment. We have 2 points that we're going to do this to. So 1, 2 is C. 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, 4 is D. So we have this line segment. We're going to shift the whole line. So we're going to go left 4 for C prime and D prime. So I took the whole line and shifted it left. Now I need to take this one and reflect over the x-axis. So reflecting over the x again, if my C is up 2, I will go down 2, and that would be C prime prime. D goes up 4, I need to go down 4 for D prime prime. And that is it. When you get to number 5 on this worksheet, y equals x, when you're reflecting over y equals x, that's when you're going to change your coordinates to yx instead of xy. Let me also show you here on 2 and 3 for when you get on the worksheet. Y equals 2 is on the y-axis, find the 2, and you would be reflecting over this line. On number 3, x equals 2, find the 2 on the x-axis, and that is the line that you will be reflecting over. That was something that needed to be pointed out in class. A lot of people were struggling with that. Okay, number 6, describe the composition of the transformations and be specific. So I have triangle ABC, and then A prime, B prime, C prime would be my second triangle. So I need to say what transformation happened to go from my original to my image. And that would be a reflection over the x-axis. So I don't need a complete sentence, just as long as I understand that you know what happened. So reflect x-axis. Good enough. Now I need to know what happens to A prime's triangle that moves to A prime prime. So this triangle translated, and you can just pick one point, it doesn't matter which one, they all move the same translation. So B goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. So you can just tell me that it translates 6, 2. And as long as you put it in the vectors, that lets me know it's a translation, so you don't have to write out the word translate. Okay, and then 7, same idea. 8, 9, 10, and 11, all the same as what we just did on the front. And then 12 through 15, just the way it's laid out seems a little confusing. There are 4 pictures and there are 4 descriptions, and it's matching. So read description on number 12 and tell me which picture matches that description, and it'll be A, B, C, or D. So your answers will be like this, not in that order. If you have any other questions, just send me an email. Make sure that you let me know what worksheet you're working on and what problem it is, and then I'll be able to quickly answer your questions.